Coming up next, number 324 on the left-hand side, that is Jason Bigelow, and he is oftentimes one of, if not the quickest Ford of the 2008 Ford F250. Oh no, problem on the left-hand side for Jason Bigelow, and that truck is all sorts of tore up at the starting line, parts scattered. From here and all the way off to the right-hand lane, you see parts spinning around on the right-hand side as well. Jason hops out to survey the damage. And how unfortunate is that? Tip of the cap to Jason Bigelow. Drivers, take note. When something goes wrong with your car, whether or not he had control over it at this point, but when something goes wrong with your truck, you do want to pull it outside the groove and park it just like Jason did here. Now, I'm not sure he had a lot of control over what direction that truck was moving, to be totally frank with you, but it landed just where you want it to come to rest, outside the racing surface area. And already, second pair out, Carnage setting in at Diesel Drags. We'll get a report from the crew. Well, the report is a broken steering knuckle, and then sounds like they've got the A-arm dropped all the way to the surface. It is grinding on the ground. You can see that the definitely scored the asphalt outside of the racing area. They're going to get it jacked up, put it on a dolly, and try to get this thing pushed off just as quick as they can. Of course, they're dealing with a whole lot of truck out there. Jason Bigelow making his mark on Byron Dragway, a little bit of a different way than normally. Typically, we'll see that Ford truck of his at the top of the standings of all the power strokes, but he has certainly made his mark of a different variety. He's got about a ½ to a 3/4 inch gouge permanently left in the surface at Byron Dragway from that run right there. Not what he was looking for, not what we were hoping to see. But thank goodness, no further catastrophe or damage. And fortunately, it happened where it did and not at a higher rate of speed. So all things considered, it could have been much worse, I do suppose. But not the run Jason was looking for, not the run we were excited to look forward and see the scoreboard on. But hey, every time we go out there to work on the racing surface, we'll always remember Jason Bigelow by that 3/4 inch gouge he left over on the surface beside the track. And that's a part of drag racing.